Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? I know you are are fine. I am going to make a movement snake in this video. So let's start it. First we're gonna do open the Visual Studio Code and go to the Explorer section and get your Python folder, and we have to end the Python of the make of the snake, and we have to make a snake movable in this video. So first you go to the while true function and go to sys exit at the end and space it and type if event dot type. What type is pygame dot key down. So we have make a not a page up, page down, and home, not type. We type WADS like a game of the big of the game. So what you gonna do the code? So write the code if event dot key equal pygame dot k dash s colon snake dot ydir position is 1 and snake dot xdir position is 0. Y direction is 1 to go up. So down. Y direction is go to down and up is going to is -1. Right? Another if event dot key equal pygame dot k dash w colon snake dot ydir equals to -1 is go to up and snake dot xdir is default. Okay, and we have to go to the right and left position. So what you gonna to do? So write elif means else and elif means this. Elif event dot key equal pygame dot k dash a colon snake dot ydir swap to this direction 0 default ydir and xdir position is 1. Okay, this position is a position, so go to this left and right. So and another position is go to right of the side. So write elif event dot key equal pygame dot k dash d colonate snake dot ydir position is 0. Snake dot xdir position is -1. So we have to end this code of the function. So this is the node end. So we have to update this snake to move. So write this snake dot update. Okay, this function and brackets. Snakes here to set your snakes equals to snakes bracket to you can use this space double space and write screen the fill. What is this? So see what is this. If we run the code, the snake goes this is, but this is the problem. So we have to go to this position and we have to run this code here. Okay, this is the problem of the snake. So if you fix this, so right above screen dot fill I set to white. Your choice of the color. Okay. And draw grid. We have to grid draw to import. Okay. And we have to go to this. Okay, this is the our grid function to white, yellow, magma, and another. So run this code and S to get forward. This is the our function is already moving, but A is means D and D means A. Okay, and I have to set. Okay, and we have to go this. Okay, and we have to go this function. And if you move W to go up and S to left, up, down, and left, right position. So this is our code. And we have to go this code in this video. Thanks for my watching. This is my video. So like and subscribe my video, comment and share. And if you join my Discord, I give you link in the description. Bye bye.